Hi guys, welcome to my meditation tutorial. Today I'm just going to teach you guys about meditation. I'm just going to go through the phase and then afterwards I'm going to do a voiceover. So what do you need for meditation? Actually just an environment where you're comfortable with. If you have low back pain like me, preferably something that you can lean back or whenever you need to. Personally I like to have this monkey to be seated right in front of me so that at least I know that my brain it won't be like a monkey mind. What's a monkey mind? So a monkey mind basically is a mind where you have no control, you just run around everywhere. So meditation is supposed to help us to calm ourselves down and then not let ourselves to become a monkey mind. So with the monkey being seated still right over here, this is actually a proof that our mind can be still. So I'm just going to start right now. All I need to do is just to find a comfortable position, and then from here just inhale and exhale. So this technique over here is actually called a dynamic meditation, where my focus is actually on my hand, bringing it up to my nose, and after I feel the touch on my nose, and then bring it down to my thighs, and then I just use my hand and feel the touch of my thigh. And then just inhale and exhale. It will be good if you can breathe in and out through your nose. Personally, I find it a little bit tough to breathe out through my nose because I have lesser control. So actually I'm breathing out through my mouth, which is also okay. You can slowly try to breathe in for 6 seconds and then slowly breathe out with 6 seconds. If you find your brain starting to wander off, slowly bring your focus back to your breath and feel the touch of your thighs and then slowly moving up to your nose. You can slowly focus on the movement like this and then slowly bring your mind back to the current state. So currently I'm actually quite comfortable with my breathing. I feel like the hand movement is not really necessary at the moment. My brain is already quite focused right now. So I just place my hand on my thighs. So at this phase, I just need you to continue to breathe in for 6 seconds and slowly exhale for 6 seconds. It is okay for your mind to wander off. Just slowly bring it back to the current state of the mind. And inhale all the way to your diaphragm. And then slowly exhale. Now just focus on the music and then just try to stay as relaxed as possible. Okay, I think that's about 5 minutes. So the whole purpose of this is just to make your mind calm, so that throughout the day your mind can be calm and then you can make better decision instead of having your brain constantly be working. This is actually a very good exercise for you to just rest your mind. Okay, hope you guys like the video. I'm gonna do a voiceover somewhere in between, and then like just try to follow along. The next time if you need it, you can always come back to this video. Okay, see ya.